Hi, Praveen Munde, business owner and founder of Magnet Global. Now today's meeting is very important for the organization people who wanted to keep their performance always on the high level. While working in the organization, it is very important you have to keep in your mind that why exactly you are here and what exactly you are doing. Why you are here and what you are doing. Because this sentence gives you the right direction to work in the organization. Now next, you have to keep one goal for yourself, because keeping more than one goal, that means you don't have any goal. Keep one goal, make the planning. If you are not able to hit at a time, change the strategy. Then again, try to push yourself to hit that particular goal. But it is very important to work in the organization with the your personal and professional goal. Second thing, you should prioritize the things, because you can't give your whole time to friend circle, your whole time to company, your whole time to any other things. Now at the time of graduation, if you did not focus on the graduation only, at the time of graduation, instead of study, if you focus on other things, so most probably you will not able to take the degree from the college. In the same way, while working in the organization, if you are not keeping your priority as a career, so you will not able to put your 100% effort, you will not able to focus 100%, you will not able to create the result. So it is very important, you have to, at this time of, you have to prioritize your things. Keeping more than one priority, that means you don't have any priority as well. Now next thing is, why certain people are started losing the performance after spending some time with the organization or in the company, because of the certain reasons. First important thing, that is, this people is having the low excitement level. Why they lose their excitement level? Somewhere or the other, because of the negative things, hanging out with the negative people, discussing the negatives. So these are the certain reasons by which people are losing themselves in the organization, losing their excitement level, losing their enthusiasm, losing their basically happiness, losing the interest level in the job profile. So it is very important that you have to hang out with the positive people only. Keep in your mind the positive stories. Are you getting my point? Now next point is over there is, follow the quality people only quality people in the organization. Copy is legal, but you have to copy the quality people. Do the mistakes, but don't repeat the mistake in the organization, because we are human beings. Mistake it's okay, no one is perfect here. But if you are repeating the same mistakes, that means you are doing intentionally. Stay away from the negative people, because negative people is just like a poison. It's the sweet poison. While hanging out, you will feel the happy, but after the discussion, it will play the poison role for your positivity. Are you getting my point? If suppose there is a one glass of milk, and in front of you we put 2 drops of poison in that full glass of milk, so will you drink that milk? Obviously no. Yes, the milk is full glass, poison is only 2 drops, but because of 2 drops, whole milk will be getting the waste, or will be going to waste. In the same way, if you are full positive, but one negative sentence or one negative thoughts will destroy your all the positive era or all the positive circle in your mind. And one sentence is enough to break your all positivity. One sentence is enough to break your focus. So it is very important, you have to stay away from negative people. You have to stay away from negative discussion in the organization. Your full focus should be on the goal. Your full focus should be on the planning. Your full focus should be to increase the averages, to comes into the bulletin report, to create the positive example. Your main focus should be on that. And next thing, why after keeping the goal, or once you keep goal for yourself, it is very important to revise on daily basis. Because sometimes what happens, we itself forget what goal I kept for myself for this month, or for this week, or for this today. Because once in a week we are keeping goal on the off day, and we are repeating that goal on next holiday. Whole week it's not revision. So it is very important to revise the goal on day-to-day basis.